Hi, and welcome back to Mommy Me Portrait Studios, where you come to create, imagine, and discover. Today we are going to work on an upcycled shape sorter. Super easy. This is going to be for kids between probably 9 months and 18 months. And even up from then, I know a couple of 2-year-olds that still play with shape sorters. It's really good learning how to fit things in the holes that are made for them. So you're just going to need a few things. You will need a couple of containers, the shapes you want sorted, a cutting board, a box cutter, and a pencil. So let's get started. For the container, you can use an oatmeal container or any cylindrical container, really. I used an Isogenics shake container. I thought it was nice the way it looked with the white and everything, and it's got a screw top, so it's more likely to keep the items inside when we're not playing with it. So you just take the lid and you take one of your shapes that you want. These are yogurt tops, like the little applesauce and yogurt tops for kids that work really well. So you just stick it right on your lid and trace out the shape that you want, and then cut it from there. Once you have the general shape cut out, you just kind of want to use the knife to smooth out the edges and make sure that there's no sharp edges that they're going to cut themselves on. Okay, once you've finished cutting out your shape, just make sure that it will fit right through. So now we've got one down. Perfect. All right. So the other shape that I have are these little baby food container lids and puff container lids. So I'm going to cut this out kind of like a coin slot so it can just slide in there. So it's going to be wide enough for this lid but long enough for this one. So you're just going to mark it with how wide it is here. And then grab the other one and mark how long it is. And then cut out your hole. All right, let's test it out and see how it works. Perfect. So now you have your upcycled shape sorter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell below so you can get notifications when we have a new video up, and comment and like. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!